In this video, we will understand in detail the documents required to transfer money from NRO account to NRE account. The basic purpose of having NRO account is due to the income earned in India. For example, if you have any property in India which you have let out and you are deriving some rent income from that property, that rent income gets credited in your NRO account and not in your NRE account. Similarly, you might be getting some dividend, pension or interest from your property or fund invested in India. So why there is a need to transfer money from NRO account to NRE account? The first important thing is NRE account money is freely repatriable. Means you can freely transfer your money from NRE account to your foreign account. Let's say you are based in Singapore, you can freely transfer your money from your NRE account to your Singapore bank account. So in case of emergency, you can transfer your fund from India very quickly to Singapore. Second important thing is investing through NRE account is tax free. So if you have money in NRE account and you make a FD, from that FD you will be earning some interest income. That interest income is tax free. There is no income tax on that interest amount. So that is why NRI wants to invest through NRE account, because it is tax free. Earlier there were huge restrictions on transferring of money, but now the RBI has allowed transfer from NRO to NRE up to $1 million in a year. So in a year, April to March, you can transfer up to 1 million USD. Now we come to the documents required. First is the fund transfer authorization. Means to transfer fund from your NRO to NRE, bank will take some authorization form. We will discuss in detail in the further video. Second is FEMA declaration. As we are dealing in foreign exchange, FEMA rules and regulations apply. So bank takes this declaration that you are following FEMA regulations and rules. Third is the documentary evidence of source of fund. From where you have earned this amount which you are going to transfer from NRO to NRE. So the bank will require the evidence of source of fund. Fourth document and the fifth document is basically a income tax form, Form 15CA and Form 15CB. Form 15CA is self-certified, so you can sign and give, but Form 15CB is CA certified. Now we will discuss in detail each of these 5 forms. First, fund transfer authorization. You need to give the signed check of your NRO account, because the fund is going to be transferred from your NRO account. So like any other transfer, you need to give a signed check. But if you are not able to give signed check, then there is a mandate form that you can fill. It's a simple form like RTGS and NEFT form. You need to just write your NRO account number, NRE account number, the bank branch details and the amount you want to transfer. So it is basically a kind of check, or I would say NEFT RTGS form kind of. It's a very simple form. Second is FEMA declaration. The bank will give you a form of 1 page or 2 page and the content will be this: declare that this transaction does not involve and is not designed for the purpose of any contravention or aviation of provision of FEMA law. So bank is taking a declaration from you that you are not contravening any provisions of FEMA laws, and transaction that you are going to take is prescribed by the RBI. And the third thing, agree and undertake to give such information document as will reasonably satisfy the bank about this transaction. So bank may ask for any further document so that they can satisfy that this transaction is appropriate. And the amount of money that you are transferring is within the limit of 1 million USD within a year. Because it might be possible that you have made some transaction before this transaction from any other bank. So together clubbing, you have not transferring more than 1 million USD in a year. Now the third document, source of income. As we have to show the bank what is the source of income. So first, if you are getting some rent, you can show the rent agreement. Yes, this is the rent agreement which my tenant, and I am earning this amount of money rent every month. So I am transferring this amount from NRO to NRE. Same like interest certificate, if you are earning, you can show the interest certificate. Third, you can show the NRO bank statement. You can show on one-to-one basis whatever you are transferring, you have earned from this income, this income, this income. So you can draw a one-to-one basis and show the banker that the source of income is due to this. Fourth possibility is you can show the income tax return filed for past 3 years. So that's a proof that you are actually paying income tax and this is your source of income. The source of income can be detailed in your computation of income. So the banker will be satisfied, okay, this was the source of income you have shown in income tax and this is getting credited in your bank account also. So now you are transferring this from NRO to NRE. Fourth is Form 15 CA. It's an online income tax form in which we are telling and intimating tax department about the fund transfer. The form basically tells what is the purpose of transfer, which bank are we using for routing this transaction, the amount of remittance, the tax liability we need to pay, and how the taxes has been discharged, so that the income tax department is satisfied that you have paid taxes in India and now you are remitting to NRE account. This form needs to digitally signed by the remitter himself. So you can make a digital signature and then sign the form, or if you get an Aadhaar OTP, you can use that. Fifth important form is Form 15 CB. This is a certificate given by a chartered accountant. And the purpose of this form is to ascertain the tax rate and confirm that the remitter has paid the appropriate income tax. Because income tax department wants to ensure that whatever the relevant taxes has been calculated and paid to the government of India. So this is an independent certificate from a professional which is a chartered accountant. The content of these forms are basically nature of transaction, whether he has received residency certificate from you, rate of tax as per the Income Tax Act and Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement, date of deposit of tax, and the remittance amount of foreign currency. So this form will be given by the chartered accountant. So these are the basic 5 documents which is required every time when you are transferring fund to your NRE account. However, bank has a power to ask you for additional documents like a covering letter, a simple request letter, KYC documents again like PAN card, Aadhaar card, your passport. Further, in case if you are selling some immovable property and the fund transfer relates to that, then an additional declaration that you have followed the FEMA rules, and they may also ask you for the agreement copies. Hope our video will help you to learn the basic documents required to transfer money from NRO to NRE account. If you have any query, leave a comment and we will reply to it. Thank you.